question which is on LeetCode. So here you can see my first question to sum, okay, which is a very easy question, and it's related to array. So here question is, given an array of integer num and an integer target, return indicates two returns such that they add up to target. Okay, so there is a input 2, 7, 11 and 15 and target is 9. So we need to be return two index of element which are sum of target element. Okay, so here as per the example I try my brute force approach, which is like I am using two for loops, okay, and return the any. If my index I element and index j elements sums are equal to target, then I have written both indexes. Okay, so all the test cases are successfully passed, but when I submit, then we are getting like it's 28.19%. okay, so it's not the optimized approach. Okay, so if you are new, then you can see one more thing. You can see in topic there is a array and hash table, so you need to try with the your hash map. So let's try optimize approach. Okay, yeah. So I am going to define a hash map which is integer and integer. Okay, it's on my map, and this is correct. Okay, and here I have defined a it's a subtract. Okay, so target minus your nums of I. Okay, if map dot contains key, okay, which is your drop, then it will return and okay, and here map dot get key, which is your subtract, and I. Or else your map dot put. So here we are putting subtracts and our element. Okay, okay, I think this is, sorry, it's a get key. No, we are only get that element. Okay, now run. What is the issue? Output 01 and target 9. Okay, and here output not coming. 1 minute, I think. Is num of I. Okay, now again num of I. What is this num set? Yeah, so it's also successfully passed. When we are submit, then that times our bits are getting changed. Now we are getting 99.13% bits. So in the question descriptions we can get the what will be the approach which is suitable for the program. In second approach, like this, you can see in topics there is a two pointer and sorting. Both between both approach you can do it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.